Welcome to this tutorial on the Happy Loop Grid widget from HappyAddons. Here we'll guide you through setting up custom grid items, creating templates, and making the most of its customization features. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have 3 essential plugins installed: Elementor free, HappyAddons free, and Pro. Now, to add the Happy Loop Grid widget, open your Elementor editor. In the widget panel, search for Happy Loop Grid and drag it to your desired area on the page. Once the widget is in place, you'll see a default view. To customize this, let's create a new grid template. Click on either of the 2 provided buttons, which will open the template creation page. Here, click Add New Template, give it a name, and start building your grid template from scratch. This template view is optimized for easier item design, so all spacing is already adjusted. Now, let's fill the grid item with the elements you need. Add post title, featured images, post excerpt, or any relevant widgets you want. Customize each element to fit your design style. Now go back to the previous page. From the Layout tab on the left sidebar, you can easily select the newly designed loop template. Alternatively, if you already have a pre-made grid template, you can choose that. To edit a template, just click Edit Template. This will reopen the editing panel with your selected template. With your grid in place, let's customize the layout. From the widget panel, you can adjust column count and the number of posts displayed per page. To ensure all items in the grid align neatly, toggle on the equal height option. This will set a uniform height across all items. Next, let's manage which posts appear in the grid. Choose your preferred post type like posts, pages, or manual selection and apply the filters as needed. You can set filters to include or exclude posts, select by authors, or even specific terms. Sort your grid items by date, author, or other criteria. You can also ignore sticky posts or exclude posts without featured images. If you need a server-side query, there's also a custom query ID option. Add pagination or a load more button for your grid. You can choose number pagination, previous next buttons, or a combination. Customize the text, set the button's alignment, and adjust the page limit. Finally, let's style the Happy Loop Grid widget. You can adjust layout spacing, item padding, background color, shadows, borders, and more. Customize pagination with font settings, colors, and active hover states for full control over your design. That's it. You're all set to create dynamic, customized grids with the Happy Loop Grid widget. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe and stay tuned. Happy building!